Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Wake your Moto G45 5G and unlock the phone with your chosen method. Stay on the home screen and look for the Apps drawer icon near the bottom. If your launcher displays pages instead, swipe left once or twice to reveal all apps and folders. Tap the Apps drawer icon to open the full list of installed apps and scroll alphabetically until you find Gallery or Google Photos. Tap the Gallery or Google Photos icon to open your images and videos. Wait a moment for thumbnails to load, and then look for tabs labeled Photos, Albums, or Search. Use the search bar to type dates, places, or people to quickly filter results. Tap the Albums tab to browse grouped folders like Camera, Screenshots, or Downloads. Open any album and swipe left or right to view individual photos, and long press a photo in Gallery to select it and reveal action options. Use the three-dot menu to choose Move, Add to Album, Share, or Delete as needed. To create a home shortcut, select a photo, then tap the three dots and pick Add to Home Screen. Open Google Photos settings and enable backup to save images to your Google account and free internal storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.